Coca-Cola. The very name conjures up images of refreshment, enjoyment, and a distinct, satisfying taste. It's a brand that has transcended generations, becoming a staple in households around the world. From the first sip, the effervescent bubbles and the unique flavor profile create an experience that is both familiar and exhilarating. It's a beverage woven into the fabric of American culture, a symbol recognized across the globe. Whether it's a bustling city street or a quiet countryside picnic, Coca-Cola is there, bridging gaps and bringing people together. Its presence in vending machines, billboards, and advertisements is a testament to its universal appeal. Yet, despite its ubiquity, the exact recipe for Coca-Cola remains a closely guarded secret, a testament to the power of mystery and brand mystique. This secrecy has only added to its allure, sparking curiosity and speculation. The recipe, locked away in a vault, is a symbol of the brand's rich history and the lengths it goes to protect its legacy. From its humble beginnings in an Atlanta pharmacy, Coca-Cola has risen to become a global phenomenon. What started as a medicinal tonic has evolved into a cultural icon. The journey from a small pharmacy to a worldwide brand is a story of innovation, perseverance, and vision. It's a testament to the power of marketing, innovation, and a product that continues to resonate with billions. Over the years, Coca-Cola's marketing campaigns have become legendary, from the iconic Share a Coke campaign to the heartwarming holiday advertisements. Each campaign has reinforced the brand's message of joy, togetherness, and refreshment. Whether enjoyed ice-cold on a scorching day or savored as a nostalgic treat, Coca-Cola occupies a unique space in our collective consciousness. It's more than just a drink, it's a part of our memories and experiences. From family barbecues to festive celebrations, Coca-Cola has been a constant companion, adding a touch of sweetness to life's moments. Part of the allure lies in its simplicity. The iconic red and white branding, the unmistakable bottle shape, and the crisp, refreshing taste all contribute to its timeless appeal. It's a brand that has stayed true to its roots while continually evolving to meet the changing tastes and preferences of consumers. At its core, Coca-Cola is a simple combination of carbonated water, sugar, and natural flavors. But it's the way these ingredients come together that creates something extraordinary. The balance of sweetness, acidity, and carbonation is meticulously crafted to deliver a consistent and delightful experience with every sip. Yet, it's the precise blend of these ingredients, the secret formula, that has captivated the world for over a century. The dedication to maintaining this formula, ensuring that every bottle of Coca-Cola tastes just right, is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and excellence. The story of Coca-Cola is as much about innovation and marketing genius as it is about a beverage. It's a story of how a simple drink became a global powerhouse, influencing culture, trends, and even social movements. The brand's ability to adapt and innovate while staying true to its core values is a key factor in its enduring success. It's a story of entrepreneurship, global expansion, and the enduring power of a brand that has become synonymous with refreshment and enjoyment. From boardrooms to backyard parties, Coca-Cola has made its mark, becoming a symbol of happiness and togetherness. Its journey is a testament to the power of a great idea, executed with passion and precision, to create something truly iconic. The story of Coca-Cola begins in 1886, not in a boardroom, but in a small pharmacy in Atlanta, Georgia. This unassuming start would lay the foundation for what would become one of the most iconic brands in the world. John Stith Pemberton, a local pharmacist, created the original Coca-Cola syrup, seeking to develop a new and invigorating beverage. Pemberton, a veteran of the Civil War, was also a chemist, and had a keen interest in medicinal concoctions. Pemberton's creation, a combination of coca leaf extract, cola nuts, and other natural flavors, was initially marketed as a health tonic. It was believed to have medicinal properties that could alleviate various ailments, from headaches to fatigue. Pemberton's bookkeeper, Frank Mason Robinson, recognized the commercial potential of the beverage and played a pivotal role in shaping its destiny. Robinson's business acumen and marketing insight were crucial in transforming Coca-Cola from a local curiosity into a national sensation. Robinson, a skilled calligrapher, is credited with crafting the iconic Coca-Cola logo, a timeless design that remains instantly recognizable today. The elegant script and distinctive red and white color scheme have become synonymous with the brand. The early days of Coca-Cola were marked by experimentation and adaptation. Pemberton and his team continually refined the formula, striving to perfect the taste and consistency of the beverage. The beverage was initially sold as a fountain drink, mixed with carbonated water on the spot. This method of serving Coca-Cola allowed for a fresh and effervescent experience that quickly won over customers. This method of dispensing would become synonymous with soda fountains and remain a popular way to enjoy Coca-Cola for decades. Soda fountains became social hubs, where people gathered to enjoy a refreshing drink and socialize. As word of this refreshing new drink spread, so too did its popularity. Coca-Cola quickly became a staple in soda fountains across the country, and its reputation as a delicious and invigorating beverage grew. From its humble beginnings in Atlanta, Coca-Cola began its journey to becoming a national and eventually a global phenomenon. The company expanded its distribution network, ensuring that Coca-Cola could be enjoyed by people far and wide. The story of Coca-Cola is a true testament to the American entrepreneurial spirit, a blend of innovation, marketing savvy, and a product that captured the public's imagination. Over the years, Coca-Cola has continued to evolve, adapting to changing tastes and trends while remaining true to its roots as a beloved and refreshing beverage. At the heart of Coca-Cola's mystique lies its secret formula, a closely guarded recipe known as Merchandise 7X. This formula is not just a recipe, it is the essence of the brand, a symbol of its identity and legacy. This enigmatic formula, the precise blend of ingredients that gives Coca-Cola its unique taste, is shrouded in secrecy, adding to the brand's allure. The mystery surrounding it has captivated the imagination of millions, making every sip a taste of the unknown. The exact recipe for Merchandise 7X is said to be known by only a handful of individuals worldwide. These select few are entrusted with the brand's most valuable asset, a responsibility that underscores the importance of the formula to Coca-Cola's global success. The formula is reportedly kept locked away in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, a testament to its value and the company's commitment to preserving its secrets. This vault is not just a physical space, it is a symbol of the lengths to which Coca-Cola will go to protect its heritage. While the exact recipe remains a secret, we know that Coca-Cola contains a combination of carbonated water, sugar, caffeine, phosphoric acid, caramel coloring, and natural flavors. These ingredients are common, yet their precise proportions and the way they are blended create a beverage unlike any other. It's the precise combination of these natural flavors, the elusive 7X, that is the source of much speculation and intrigue. The mystery of 7X has inspired countless theories and even some attempts to replicate the iconic taste, but none have succeeded. Some believe the secret lies in the use of essential oils, such as orange, lemon, and nutmeg. These oils could provide the subtle yet distinctive notes that set Coca-Cola apart from other colas. Others speculate about the inclusion of more exotic ingredients like coriander, cinnamon, or even neroli. These spices and botanicals could be the key to the complex flavor profile that has made Coca-Cola a beloved beverage for over a century. Whatever the truth, the mystery surrounding Merchandise 7X is a testament to the power of branding and the enduring allure of the unknown. The secret formula is more than just a list of ingredients. It is a story, a legend that continues to fascinate and enchant people around the world. It is this blend of mystery and tradition that keeps Coca-Cola at the forefront of the beverage industry, a timeless icon in a constantly changing world. The journey of a Coca-Cola bottle, from the factory floor to your local store shelf, is a testament to modern manufacturing and distribution. The process begins with the production of the concentrate, the heart of the Coca-Cola flavor, which is then shipped to bottling plants around the world. At these bottling plants, the concentrate is combined with filtered and treated water, sugar, and carbon dioxide. This mixture is then carefully blended and chilled before being bottled, capped, and labeled at high speeds. The entire process, from mixing to packaging, is highly automated, ensuring consistency and efficiency on a massive scale. Once bottled, the Coca-Cola is packaged into crates, cartons, or placed directly onto pallets for distribution. These pallets are then loaded onto trucks, trains, or ships depending on their destination, ready to be delivered to stores, restaurants, and vending machines across the globe. The Coca-Cola manufacturing process is a marvel of modern technology, a testament to the company's commitment to quality and consistency. Every bottle, regardless of where it's produced or consumed, is held to the same rigorous standards, ensuring that the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola remains consistent worldwide.